Hey guys, it's Gabby. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I partnered up with Seaweed Gel to show you guys how you could do your own gel nail polish right at home. And I'm not even kidding, this is probably one of the quickest and easiest gel manicures I've ever done. So yeah, let's just get right into the tutorial. For the first step, you want to make sure you push back your cuticles, and you can use a metal pusher or an orange wood stick like I'm doing here. Next, you want to remove the shine from your nail, and the buffer I'm using does come in their starter kit. This step is really important because it's going to help the gel polish adhere to your nail. So you really want to focus especially around the cuticle area and the sides of your nail. So if you find that your gel nails kind of just pop off, then this may be why. After that, I'm going to go ahead and take some rubbing alcohol and a makeup sponge and just remove that dust and also any oils that may be on my nail, and then let that dry completely. Once your nails look all dry and matte like this, then you are ready to start your gel application. And I'm going to be using one of their Unity all-in-one gel polishes. The shade I'm using is 166 Mocha, and guys, this color is so pretty. And the great thing is, because it's an all-in-one, you don't have to worry about a base coat or a top coat. So I'm just going to go right in with the color and get as close to the cuticle as I can without getting it on my skin. And whenever you're working with gel nail polish, you want to make sure you're keeping your coats thin. And if you do get some gel polish on your skin, you can use an orange wood stick or even your finger to just wipe it off before you go to cure it. And because it's gel, you can really just take your time, go over it if you need to, and make sure it's nice and even. This formula is really easy to work with. It's not too runny to where it just kind of goes all over into your cuticles, but it's also not too thick because I feel like that can make it hard to get those thin layers and it gets kind of gulpy, you know? And then after that first coat, I'm going to cap the free edge of my nail by taking the brush and running it along the edge of my nail, and then you're just going to cure it for 60 seconds. So typically I cap the free edge after the first coat, but then for the rest of the coats, I'll cap the free edge first. And it does help to do this first, just so you don't have any unevenness on the tip of the nail. And then from there, I'll just apply the second coat. So something I really like to do is take the polish and put it toward the bottom of my nail, and then I'll use the brush to push it toward my cuticle. And this is really going to give you more control of where the gel polish is going. So if you do have a shaky hand, this is definitely going to help you out. And again, once you finish that coat, you're going to cure it under the lamp for 60 seconds. So the lamp that I'm using does come in their starter kit, and their starter kit is huge. I have not come across one that has so much in it. So in addition to the lamp, you also get a base coat, top coat, an all-in-one gel polish, a 3-step gel polish, apron, towel, buffer, file, remover wraps, lint-free wipes, a petty kit, and a free gift. So really everything you need. So this is perfect for beginners, or if you're experienced and you're just looking for a kit to use at home, I would definitely recommend this one. So even though I did have their base coat and top coat, I wanted to try out their Unity polish on its own just to see if it like popped off the next day. So after I applied my third coat, I just cured my nail one last time, and then I was completely done. And this doesn't have the sticky residue, so you don't have to worry about wiping off your nail. And then after that, I did finish off with some cuticle oil. And here is the final look. I am in love with this color. I just feel like it's the perfect brown shade and it can look good on any skin tone. So this is how my nails looked on day one. And then here is day 6. As you can see, they look pretty much the same. I didn't have any chips or peels, nothing popped off. So really happy with this. I'm hoping I can show you guys day 8 before I have to film again and change my nails. So if I can do that, I'm gonna insert that picture onto this video. But yeah, I hope this was helpful, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.